watching TV9 Digital. I am Adarsh Vepachedu. Mucormycosis, more commonly known as black fungus, is increasingly being reported across the country, especially among diabetic patients who have been put on steroids after testing positive for COVID-19. Here are 9 updates regarding mucormycosis that you must know. Update number 1. India is now officially in the midst of 2 epidemics after the central government asked states to make mucormycosis a notifiable disease on Wednesday. A notifiable disease means the government has to be mandatorily informed about any case that is detected. Now, among the other notifiable diseases in the country are tuberculosis, cholera and diphtheria. Update number 2. AIIMS RP Center for Ophthalmic Studies has gone ahead and released guidelines for early detection and prevention of mucormycosis in AIIMS COVID ward. Physicians have been asked to identify patients with uncontrolled diabetes, diabetic ketoacidosis and diabetics on steroids or tocilizumab, patients on immunosuppressants or anti-cancer treatment, and patients with chronic debilitating illness, patients on high-dose steroids and or long duration of steroids or tocilizumab, severe COVID cases, and patients on oxygen support, nasal bronchs by mask or on ventilator. Update number 3. After Rajasthan, Telangana has officially declared mucormycosis as an epidemic after reportedly a spike in the cases of the black fungus. The notification comes a day after the Director of Medical Education during a press conference said that there was unnecessary hype on the disease and that there were only 80 cases in the state. Update number 4. Next to follow suit in all likelihood will be Tamil Nadu, which will soon notify mucormycosis as a notifiable disease. A committee has been formed to review the infection, and this is what the state health secretary had to say. In Tamil Nadu, the health secretary said that 9 people have been identified to have mucormycosis, but no deaths have been reported till now due to the infection. Now, to these 9 infected, 7 are said to be diabetic. Update number 5. Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope told Prime Minister Narendra Modi that mucormycosis or black fungus, which has already claimed 90 lives in the state so far, is a matter of prime concern for the state at present, and that the state government needs more supply of the medicine used in its treatment. Out of the 90 individuals who lost their lives, 19 were admitted to 3 civic hospitals in Mumbai. Additionally, the Maharashtra government has allowed an unlimited package for the treatment of patients with mucormycosis. Update number 6. The Delhi government has decided to set up dedicated treatment centers to deal with the growing cases of fungal infection mucormycosis, also known as black fungus. Now, these treatment centers will be set up in Lok Nayak Jayaprakash Narayan Hospital, Guru Tej Bahadur Hospital and Rajiv Gandhi Hospital. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said an important meeting with the officials and experts was held on the growing cases of black fungus disease. He stressed on curbing the spread of this disease by providing better treatment to the patients. Update number 7. Former Indian team shooting coach Monali Manohar Gore, aged 44, lost her life due to mucormycosis, the black fungus disease, on Thursday morning. Her father Manohar Gore, aged 73, had passed away just a few hours before Monali's death. Monali had also served as the national coach of the Sri Lankan team. She had set up a shooting training center called the Excel Shooting in Nashik, where she was training hundreds of students in Maharashtra. Monali was diagnosed with COVID-19 earlier and was recently released from the hospital after treatment. Update number 8. In Noida, patients admitted at hospitals for treatment of black fungus are in a spot of bother as amphotericin B, a drug used for its treatment, is running off short supply. The shortage was earlier flagged by some hospitals in Gurugram, thereby leading to the formation of panels to procure injections. On the other hand, Gurugram has reported its first suspected mucormycosis death a 29-year-old man undergoing treatment for COVID-19 succumbed to the infection. With that, Haryana has a total of 205 cases of black fungus. Down south in Kozhikode of Kerala, the left eye of a 62-year-old man suffering from mucormycosis had to be surgically removed to prevent the infection from spreading to the brain. Lastly, update number 9. Amid rising cases of black fungus in India, 4 cases of white fungus have been reported in Patna of Bihar. Now, white fungus infection is considered to be more dangerous than black fungus infection because it affects lungs as well as other parts of the body, including nails, skin, stomach, kidney, brain, private parts, and the mouth. So what do you have to say about the mucormycosis condition in the country? Do leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and yes, subscribe to TV9 News on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.